I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California, and tonight we are eating at Jiko at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House.
So yeah, we'll go through what we're getting for dinner, what we ordered, and what we think of it.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana.
And we'll give you our any tips and tricks along the way. All right, let's go eat. They got lemonade. They gave us
Champagne for our anniversary. Cheers.
Cheers. Mojito or
It's a Moroccan tea infused mojito, so this ought to be interesting.
I got a Belgian beer. Got the scallops.
He has a taste of Africa.
This Africa.
I have the wild boar. And Mimi had the clams and bone marrow from the Circle of Life menu.
Alright,
And
yep.
then you have your mac and cheese.
Oh, this is mac and cheese.
And then they have a red wine reduction sauce to go with it.
Oh.
Here's got the kids' dessert.
Kids dessert looks cool.
Yeah.
So we just got done with dinner.
At Jiko.
Yes.
We found out the adult beverages of choice
Yeah.
are strong. I had a mojito with a African tea in it. Moroccan tea, I guess it was.
Like a mint Moroccan tea.
Yeah, it was good, but it was strong. I couldn't finish it off.
And I had a really strong beer, which is really good. But so, other than that, dinner was really good.
It was. I had the wild boar for my appetizer.
That was excellent. I had a bite of it. And then
Hayden had scallops, which he enjoyed. And he got his without the feta cheese on it.
He actually ate his so fast that we never got a chance to try to taste them.
And you got the Taste of Africa,
which was really good. A lot of different breads. You didn't care for all the sauces.
No, but
But most of them were really good. Some of them were really strong.
They had a mango one that was pretty good.
Yeah, there was one that was really sweet but very spicy.
And that was kind of a theme a little throughout our meal. And my mom, she got clams. She did the Circle of Life menu that's being offered this summer. So she got clams in a sauce that had bone marrow in it, and she loved it.
Yes. And for our entrees, we all got the steak. We
got the filet mignon.
Filet mignon, which was excellent, perfectly cooked, tasted great.
And my mom got a seafood dish that had a huge piece of lobster in it, like a half a lobster. And she had, what else? It had like mussels in it. She said she didn't care so much for the sauce and it was quite heavy. So I'm not sure.
She said the curry was really spicy.
Yeah. So she didn't really care for that part of the spice. But if you like seafood, I think you may enjoy it. As long as you're not, the spices aren't a problem for you.
And then we also got the mac and cheese, which wasn't.
We didn't really care for it.
Yeah, it wasn't. It just didn't taste.
It was
like
different.
Yeah,
it had a lot of spice to it. It had that underlying curry to it too.
Yeah, and so I just didn't care for it.
It was different.
And I like mac and cheese, so.
Yeah, and then for desserts, I got the Kilimanjaro, which was really good. I liked it a lot.
And I can't remember what I had. What was it? The milk?
It's their specialty. We'll put it in the.
I'll put it in the description down in here somewhere. I wouldn't get it again.
Okay. And it had like
sorry.
a red wine dessert, like a sauce on it, she said, and it had like a bird's nest looking thing. It was interesting to look at. I didn't want to try it, or I did try it. I thought it was good.
It was okay.
And then Hayden got like the kids dessert that had a little brownie on it, and it had a cookie he could paint, and
ice cream.
And ice cream. He just enjoyed painting the cookie.
Yeah, and then Donna got part of hers, this Lion King special.
Yeah, it was a Lion King. It was a eclair that had chocolate mousse in the center and chocolate on the top. It was pretty good.
It looked really good.
Yeah, with a little piece of white chocolate that had it's Lion King like painted artwork on it, or somehow they get the art on it, and the pictures will be in the video. Yeah. And it was good.
And also it was really nice that they since it was noted down as our anniversary, we're spending our anniversary here, they brought out a couple of flutes of champagne for us.
They did, which was nice.
Yeah, so that was very good. The service is great.
And then my mom, since she got the Circle of Life menu, they gave her a special African tea to take home, like a little mix she can add in with water.
So
that was kind of nice.
Yeah,
for
it's
her.
a really nice bonus. It's 2 credit restaurant.
It is.
But well worth the 2 credits.
It is. I really enjoyed it. It was a great atmosphere. For a while they had some singers going around. They were singing Lion King songs.
It wasn't so loud that you could actually talk to everybody at your table. It was just an enjoyable night. It
was a long meal. They kind of draw it out. So if you have the time, if you don't mind spending a long dinner at Signature Dining.
Yeah, it took like 2 hours to get
2
to dinner.
2 2.5 hours by the time we got the check and left. So it was a very peaceful, long-paced meal, but it was good.
Yeah. So definitely go check it out if you get a chance to, if you're at Animal Kingdom Lounge, Jambo House. And yeah, definitely. I would do it again. Yeah. Okay, so with that, I think it's time for us to say goodnight and
find your magic.
Good night, everybody.